So now we're on to adding our content. 3 pieces of content here: the trailer, the main event, the main video. We need both of those, and any bonus features. So what I can do with the easiest way is, if you've already uploaded the video, you can select a video that's already there. Here, below everyone, choose an existing video, and then you would just select, right? I'm going to upload it because I'll just show it as you guys would do it. And if I go to choose my content and videos, I have got video trailer, this one. It will start uploading. I have got my main video, my main event. And then bonuses, I have got 2 videos that I'm going to put up. Can I select them both at once? Let's have a try. Yes, I can, right? So it's going to upload those videos. They are quite small videos. Yours will be longer, and this will take a longer time to process. If there's any music in your main video, you can click here, add the song, add the artist, the songwriter. Obviously, you need full permission for that music for legal purposes. Please tell us what songs you featured according to Vimeo guidelines. You must hold the rights. You can't just put people's music in your videos, obviously. So these 4 videos will then go into processing, and we will just wait to see how long it takes to do it, right? These are very short videos for me. As we're letting them process, you're just going to see here as well, in your bonuses, you've got 2 bonuses. One is free or with purchase, free or with purchase, right? And you can obviously move these bonuses around however you want them to appear on the page. But I'm just going to click this. It doesn't seem to do anything, but when I click again on this, it doesn't do anything. When I save it, it still says processing. All right, so the main video's processed because it's up there. And it's a bit funky, this. So I don't want it to be free. I want it to be all with purchase. But for some reason, when I click there, it makes it with purchase. Maybe it's because it's still processing that it's a bit funky. But what this will mean is, if you leave it free, the people can watch the bonuses without paying. If you leave it all with purchase, it comes up with purchase. A little grey box comes up and says with purchase. And that means they only get the bonuses with the purchase, which helps you sell the package, doesn't it? So we're going to come back to that. Let's try it one more time. Yeah, it's maybe because it's still processing. We're going to leave it processing and come back to it, and I will show you. But we don't want to make these free. We're going to make them with purchase. All right, so everything's uploaded. I just did 4 videos, silly videos. So what I was saying there, you get this now, free or with purchase. When I click it, it then changed, didn't it, down here to save. I'm going to click on both. Nothing happens, but when I click save, and I come back down, I might have to refresh it. It's a bit funky, this bit. Now you see, when you refresh the page, it says with purchase. It doesn't say free or with purchase. So you might want to make this title, this video, your bonus 1, extra lesson, whatever it is. If you're selling a lesson, sell it the extra lesson. Or if it's outtakes, maybe you want the outtakes to be free. You can dictate whether they are free or not here. It's a bit funky, that I know, but it does seem a bit weird how it makes it work. But if you click it, save it, refresh it, it does take, right?